My name is Valerie, and I work for the Florida Native Plant Society. Today, we're going to download and install the latest version of QGIS. It was just released, QGIS 3.24 Tisler. So let's get started. All right, I put myself in the corner here. So I use Chrome for work. So here we're in Chrome, go to download.qgis.org. That's download.qgis.org. Okay, so see, announcement, it's new. You go down here to download now, and I'm not in the way. This is great. Okay, so download. And there's a lot going on here. You can use the OSGeo4W network installer, but I just use a standalone installer here. So make sure you're using the most up-to-date version. Zoom in a little bit. So there's 3.24. You can just download that. And as you can see, it started to download here. And it's a bit of a long process, so I'll speed that up for you guys. All right, it's done, so let's open it. All right, there we go. Here's the setup wizard. You have to accept their licenses. Now you get Mr. Sid, which is great. It's a graphics file codec that wasn't, it hasn't always been included in QGIS distribution. Okay, so accept it. I don't need a desktop shortcut. I don't need a start menu shortcut. Okay, so once it's finished, it's installed, and then search QGIS. Okay, so I have a bunch of QGISs on here. So okay, so maybe you guys saw me kind of freaking out a little bit in the last video. That would be because I couldn't find my QGIS installation, maybe because it's a fresh QGIS release. They don't have all the bugs worked out. So if you can't find it, for example, I was looking for QGIS, I looked for QGIS and it says, oh, it's only the old one, 3.22.3. Okay, well, I know I installed 3.24 and I can check it because if I go to my downloads and I try to install it, it'll tell me that I have already installed it. So see, it says change, repair, or remove. Okay, so it's installed. I just can't find it. I don't know. Anyways, something happened. So yes, I want to cancel that. Finish. Okay, so how we do this? So we want to go to C, Program Files, QGIS 3.24.1, go to bin, and then pop down to QGIS bin. Okay. Okay. All right, see, now it's opening. So we're good to go. It opened in my other screen, so I just got to pull it over. Okay, so see, and it has my recent project that we're going to work on for our for our Lunch and Learn this week. So that's why I do these tutorials, is because we have a weekly series of programming, and for this upcoming week we have do-it-yourself historical ecology. So we'll be doing georeferencing. Thank you for coming.